In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a map to your Weebly site. Whether you're showcasing your business location, highlighting multiple spots of interest, or simply adding a visual guide, incorporating a map into your website can greatly enhance the user experience. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Weebly account and have the site editor open for the website you're working on. Once you're in the editor, look towards the top bar and click on Build. This is the starting point for designing and customizing your site. When you click Build, a comprehensive list of elements will appear on the left panel. This is your toolbox for creating a dynamic and engaging web page. Scroll through this list until you find the map element. It's pretty straightforward from here. All you need to do is click and drag this map element to the desired spot on your page. You can place it anywhere within the editor's display area. The beauty of Weebly's drag and drop interface is its simplicity and ease of use, allowing you to effortlessly move elements wherever they provide the most benefit to your site's design. Once you have dropped the map element into place, click on it to start configuring your settings. This is where you can really tailor the map to suit your specific needs. One of the first things you might want to update is the address. Changing this will allow you to display the precise location you wish to highlight, whether it be your business's storefront or any particular point of interest you'd like your visitors to see. Next up is adjusting the zoom level. This feature is especially useful depending on the detail and area you wish to show. You might want a street-level view that visitors can explore in depth, or a wider zoom that provides a broader context of the surrounding area. It's all about what suits your content best. Additionally, you can choose to show markers on the map. Markers are a fantastic way to pinpoint multiple important locations or to draw attention to a specific spot. If you have various branches or key sites, markers can effectively help highlight these. Finally, take some time to edit the map controls for user interaction. This allows you to decide how visitors can engage with your map, such as enabling or disabling zoom options, setting default views, and more. It's all about giving them a seamless experience that aligns with your site's overall functionality. And there you have it. You've successfully added and customized a map on your Weebly site, enhancing your visitors' experience with visual and interactive content that guides them right to where you need them. Thanks for watching, and I hope this gives you all you need to create a compelling and informative website.